today I'm going to talk about how I created my movie poster. So this is the finished design that I made. I use these images. I use the staircase for this one, the outline of the tunnel in person for this one, and I used this photo of like a woods, or like the woods or something, and this is what I used to create this. So what I did was I used the trees image first, and I went ahead and spot healed some areas because there was a lot of open areas right here and over here, so I went ahead and spot healed them to make more branches like appear there instead of light and just random holes. So then after that I selected the staircase just on this area right here and went ahead and placed them over here. I cleaned up the edges a little bit, and I went ahead and used the photo of this person standing right here and used the light source also right here. I went ahead and erased some edges of the tunnel. I tried to make some more tree parts appear on there also. And lastly, for this photo, I actually did not list this, but I went ahead and used a texture. Let me just deselect all of these, and I went ahead and used a texture that you can't really see for some reason, but that's okay. And I just decreased the opacity really low at 26%, and I played around with the filters also. I went ahead and used warm tone filters for each of these products that I used for the magazine ad. So I wanted to give it more of a gold warmish tone instead of using darker colors, because I just felt that hold on. Okay, so because I just felt that a warmer tone would create a more mysterious effect for the poster itself. And I went ahead and used this type of text. It's simple, but not too plain. I just went ahead just to add a little bit more, I guess, mystery to it. And as you can see, it has a slight warm tone to it also. And that's all I did for this photo pretty much. I had a lot of fun with this project, honestly. And thank you all for watching.